to Rob. Good morning again, guys. Here we go again. It's Sunday morning and ito po, papunta po kami sa isang farm dito sa New Jersey. Malapit lang po sa amin, which is around 30 to 35 minutes away. Ang tawag po sa kanya ay ang Demarest Farms. So, isa po siya sa pinaka-popular na farms dito sa New Jersey, malapit sa amin. So actually, matagal-tagal din namin pinag-isipan to at pinlano, pero hindi namin magawa-gawa a few years ago. Pero ito, ngayon, free kami, so nag-decide kami na magpunta sa Demarest Farm. Pero dahil nga sa pandemic, hindi pwede ang walk-in. So ngayon po is puro ano po siya, puro online reservation po.
I'm speaking now. Yeah. Are you ready? Yes or no? Okay.
So actually, akala ko 35 minutes pero 20 to 25 minutes lang pala na drive mula sa amin. Then as you can see, dito po kami sa loob. Ayan, marami pong sasakyan. So super dami ng sasakyan. Nagka-traffic po sa loob. Ayan, naghihintay tayo ngayon. Ayan, tulog yung maliit namin. Pag nagda-drive talaga at nagbabiyahe kami, ayan, laging tulog yan. Which is good, para hindi mag-ingay. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman sa dami ng tao. Dito pa rin kami. Traffic sa loob. Ito. Mga apple din yan. Wala nang bunga kasi na-pick up na yan eh.
Go stand next to Jackson. Go stand next to Jack. Right. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. No, I'm fucking with you. I just want to.
Yeah, I don't know. They bring it with them maybe. Okay, we're here. Crimson Creek. Granny seed. Apple. Ang daming apple. Pulang-pulang. Over there, there's a Fuji. Fuji apple. We're gonna look for the Fuji apple. Aki, are you ready? Oh, Fuji apple no more. Let's go over there. Can I get a Fuji apple? Can I get a Fuji apple? Over there. Up. Up. There's a Fuji apple. Fuji apple. Over there, Aki. There's an apple there. Huh? No, this one is Fuji. Yeah. That's why no more. Yeah. It's not yet. It's not yet very ripe. Later on. Ayan.
I think need to this one.
Did you see the sign? I saw the sign is this one is Fuji. This one is different one.
Really?
Yeah. Can you
Okay.
you can see again. Over there, Aki. Over here. Over here. You don't want to get apple there? You see? Do you see? Red apple? Do you wanna get? Over here, Aki. Come here. Aki, over here. Oh, still. They're not yet red. Maraming apple, kaso lang hindi pa sila hinog. You know, puro green pa sila. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa yan, pwedeng pick upin. Pitasin. Saka. Hello. So guys, first time po namin mag-apple picking, kaya nakikita nyo naman, kahit green pa, pinitas ko na siya, which is very wrong. Dapat hindi. Pitasin. Yun. Dapat fully red na siya. Taka, come here. Can I help?
Okay,
Put inside.
That one is from the ground, right? Over there, Taka.
So yun nga, dahil nga first time namin, pitas lang kami ng pitas. Dapat pala fully red na siya para pwede siyang kainin. Akala ko naman kasi pag pinitas mo later on, mahihinog na lang siya. Hindi pala. Kuya. One more, Taka. So yung bunso, ayan, namumulot ng apple. Sa dami ng apple, nalalaglag na lang yung iba. Siguro tinatapon lang nila yan or hinahayaan nila gawing pataba. Hindi ko alam kung ilang klaseng apple meron sila, pero sa tingin ko mga 8 klase. Honeycrisp, Fuji, Gala, ano ba yung iba? Red apple. Hindi ko kabisado mga apple. Nalaman ko rin guys na itong Demarest Farm pala, hindi lang apple So meron din silang peach, picking, blueberry ba yun? Tsaka pumpkin, at marami pang iba. So ito yung isa sa really pinaka-popular dito malapit sa amin. And para makapag-book po, kailangan nyo mag-reserve online. Yeah, no. Aki.
Come on, Chloe. How many apples are you, man? Good luck.
Aki, this one. Get this one. Where? Another one.
Ouch!
Come here.
Are you okay? You wanna get this one? You wanna get that one? Wow, thank you. What do you got? How many you got? Over here, look. Over here, there's a lot. You see, this one. Oh, already. This one. Wow. I get it? How about this one? This one. Oh. Heavy already. No, it's heavy.
Isa sa mga apple na nakuha namin. Ayan. Fresh from the farm. Linis ng apple. Wash it well.
apple.
I know. Big apple. Wow. Yung po yung mga nakuha namin kahapon. Clean well. You have to rub. So nag-enjoy po talaga ang mga bata, kaya guys, it's really a fun experience to do. So sana po nagustuhan po ninyo. Maraming salamat po sa panonood po ninyo, and don't forget to like and subscribe po. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Thank you.